As a maths classroom teacher of over 10 years, here is my best top tip for solving simultaneous equations. So simultaneous equations, we're using the elimination method here. We're going to try and eliminate one of the variables. This relies on either the x or the y having the same number in front of them. Don't worry about the sign, it's just the number that we're looking at. X don't, but the y's do, they both have a 3. And then we stop. We write same sign, take away, opposite sign, plus. Because that's where students have the problem, knowing whether we're going to subtract or add them. So these ones, the 3's that we're looking at, they're the opposite sign, so therefore we're going to add them together in order to get rid of the y's to eliminate that variable. 26 add -1, the plus and the minus make a minus. 26 take away 1 becomes 25. And this is the part here that's key. 3y add minus 3y makes nothing. They cancel each other out, they're eliminated. And 4x plus x is 5x. If I had put the incorrect sign here, if I had a subtraction sign, I would be doing 3y subtract minus 3y, and those two negatives would make a positive, so it would end up being 6y. We don't want that, we want to eliminate it and get rid of it. So if 5x is equal to 25, then x is going to be 5, because we're dividing both sides by 5. And that is our first solution. Don't stop there, we have to find the second. So we can use either equation for this part. I'm going to use the top one. We know 4x plus 3y is 26. And we also know that x is equal to 5. Therefore, we can substitute in our value of x being 5 and work out what y is going to be. So 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 3y is equal to 26. And we can solve as we normally would to find out the value of x. Subtract the 20. And divide by 3. Okay, we have our two solutions, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. You can substitute those values back in to check that you've got the correct answer. 20 plus 6 is 26. 5 subtract 6 is equal to -1. There we go. So don't forget when solving simultaneous equations to stop, same sign, take away, opposite sign, plus, to work out whether you're adding or subtracting those equations.